Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all you will go to setting of Windows. In the setting I will find this system. So my Windows 11. Here you will find recovery, and same setting you have to follow in Windows 10. You have to find recovery in your Windows. So here you click on reset on Windows. So after clicking on reset you have to remove everything. Option select. So next option, local reinstall. So it will reinstall your window. It will, first of all it will remove everything from your window, then again it will install the window 11 on your PC. So my window is 11, so it will install after some time. So it is preparing to reset. So for resetting your window you have to connect your plug charger with your PC. So I have a connector plug charger with PC. So after this setting it takes some times, so I skip the most of the video. I cut the video. So in this if you have connected your network, then it check for update and it also update your window, and you have to skip most of the setting, so I just skip. And you also add your personal Microsoft account here, so I add my personal account, so sign in. So now it takes some minutes and window is resetted. Okay, goodbye.